It's dark in my car, and I'm gonna show you why. Daylight savings time. I hate it. So this is the time right now that it used to be, 6:15. And now, due to daylight savings time, I gotta take a pen into the hour mark and hit it forward once. So my body thinks it's 6:15 right now, but it's actually 7:15. And now I have to go to work. Yay. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm gonna be honest, I'm struggling this morning. I'm struggling with feeling like I'm not progressing in anything. I feel like I'm not making progress because my routine is all off, because we're mudding the bathroom so that we can paint it, so like chores are done at different times and grocery shopping is done on different days and everything is all just topsy-turvy all at once, and it's only Tuesday and I'm having a rough week. Hello and happy Friday. I thought the lighting in here would be better, but it's not, so I hate this light. I really do. I'm sorry. But we're gonna have to go with that. How do I explain what's been going on this week? This week has been showing me that I'm not setting myself up for success. And the way that I'm not doing that is I'm spending so much time trying to do this same practice session over and over and over again, and I'm failing at it because I'm either cooking or doing something else instead of giving it my full attention. And long story short, this week has just been full of the not having my priorities straight. I haven't been giving math my full attention that it needs to, and instead I've been eating or cooking or letting other things get in the way of it. And I need to adjust my schedule a little bit, and I realize that I have working out as a higher priority than math right now, and it shouldn't be, because math is going to lead to coding, and coding is going to lead to clients, which will lead to a better situation for me and my family. So I need to make sure that math has a higher priority than working out. And it's a little more complicated now that my shoulder is injured. It's a bicep related injury. I tweaked it again on Monday, getting the new desk into the house, because the first desk that we got wouldn't stay up. So we called the people and they sent us a new one. But it's manifesting in my shoulder. I don't know if it's tendinitis or what's going on, but the treatment is the same regardless of what it is. I don't have mobility issues, so it's just a strength thing. So I need to strengthen that and make sure I don't lift inappropriately like I was doing. So that's going to take more time, and it's also going to keep me from lifting the way that I want to, but my health is more important. I need to rebuild that up and make sure I don't keep re-injuring it. That's essentially the story of this week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave you here for this week. Leave a comment below on how your week went, and I'll see you next week.